If you've ever shaved your bikini area and ended up with razor bumps, itching, or irritation, you're not alone. The truth is, most people are doing it completely wrong, leading to discomfort that can last for days. We're going to show you a simple, step-by-step routine to get smooth skin while avoiding irritation, ingrown hairs, and razor burn. Follow along for a routine designed to stop those annoying side effects and keep your skin happy. Let's start with why shaving often causes problems, so you know what to avoid. The bikini area has sensitive skin and coarse hair, a combination that requires careful technique. Shaving incorrectly, like dry shaving, using dull razors or rushing, leads to tiny skin irritation and microcuts. This is what causes razor bumps, ingrown hairs, redness, itching, and that uncomfortable burning feeling. Step 1 to a smooth shave actually happens before the razor touches your skin: preparation. Always start with warm water or a warm shower. This softens the hair and opens the pores, making shaving much easier and safer. Gently cleanse the area with a mild, fragrance-free wash to remove any oils and bacteria before shaving. Proper prep is the essential foundation for preventing irritation and achieving truly smooth results. Remember, softening the hair and cleaning the skin are non-negotiables for a comfortable shave. Stay tuned for the next steps in our guide, covering the perfect shaving technique and essential aftercare. You'll learn the essential steps for shaving prep and technique to achieve incredibly smooth, irritation-free skin. We're covering 3 critical stages: exfoliating gently, applying shaving gel, and mastering the right razor technique. Starting with step 2, exfoliation is an important step often skipped. Don't miss this crucial preparation phase. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells that can block hair follicles. This is key to a clean shave. Removing those dead cells directly helps prevent common issues like blocked hair follicles and painful ingrown hairs. Use a gentle scrub or a soft exfoliating glove. The key word here is gentle. Never aggressively scrub your skin. Only exfoliate once or twice a week. That is enough to prepare your skin without causing irritation. Now for step 3, apply a generous layer of shaving gel or cream. This is non-negotiable for protection. Shaving gel creates a protective barrier between your skin and the razor, which is vital for skin health. This protective layer dramatically reduces friction, helping the razor glide smoothly over your skin. Avoid shaving dry at all costs. This is one of the main causes of irritation, razor burn, and nicks. Finally, we focus on step 4, using the right razor technique. Good technique makes all the difference. When shaving, technique matters far more than pressure. Use light, controlled movements. Always use a clean, sharp razor. Dull blades increase friction, leading to cuts and severe irritation. Shave slowly using only light pressure. Let the sharpness of the blade do the work, not the force of your hand. Follow the direction of hair growth, also known as shaving with the grain. This minimizes tugging and pulling on the follicles. Rinse your razor often to keep it free of shaving cream and hairs. A clean razor is an effective razor. By following these simple steps, you can achieve a close, comfortable, and irritation-free shave every time. Remember, exfoliate gently, use shaving gel, and apply the right light pressure technique. Happy shaving! Getting a perfect shave is only half the battle. Knowing the right aftercare steps is essential for smooth, irritation-free skin. Today, we'll cover key mistakes to avoid during and after shaving. Let's start with common mistakes made while shaving itself. Avoiding these errors is crucial to prevent irritation and razor burn. First, don't press too hard or shave too quickly. Excessive pressure can lead to nicks and irritation, and rushing increases your chances of making mistakes. Next, avoid going over the same area repeatedly. Each pass removes a layer of protection, causing unnecessary friction and potential redness. And most importantly, never use a dull blade. Dull blades drag and pull, which is the primary cause of ingrown hairs and discomfort. Replace your razor regularly. Now, let's talk about immediate after-shaving care. These steps will help soothe your skin right after the hair removal is complete. Once you're done shaving, rinse the area with cool water. This calms the skin and helps to close your pores. Then, gently pat the area dry. Do not rub. Rubbing can cause irritation on freshly shaved skin. The next vital step is soothing your skin. Proper moisturizing is key to reducing redness and keeping the area hydrated. Apply aloe vera gel or a calming, fragrance-free moisturizer. This provides essential hydration and helps reduce any post-shave redness. Crucially, avoid products with alcohol or strong fragrance right after shaving, as they can severely irritate freshly shaved skin. Your skin needs time to recover. Here are the aftercare mistakes you should avoid for the next 24 hours to ensure the best results. For 24 hours after shaving, avoid tight clothing that causes friction and heavy workouts with excessive sweating, as both can lead to irritation. Also, steer clear of harsh skincare products. Your skin is sensitive, so stick to gentle, soothing formulas. And finally, avoid scratching or touching the area too much. Minimize contact to let your skin heal properly. Following these steps ensures your skin has the time it needs to recover, leading to a consistently smooth and comfortable shaving experience. Do you struggle with ingrown hairs after shaving? We're going to walk through a shaving routine that can prevent them. Ingrown hairs occur when shaved or broken hair curls back and grows into the skin, causing irritation, bumps, and sometimes infection. The best way to prevent ingrown hairs is to adjust your shaving technique. A proper routine can make a huge difference for smoother skin. Let's start with the preparation steps essential for a successful shave and preventing those pesky ingrown hairs. First, prep your skin with warm water. This helps to soften the hair and open the pores, making the shave easier and reducing friction. Next, gently exfoliate the area you plan to shave. This removes dead skin cells and ensures the hair can exit the skin easily, preventing it from curling back. Always apply a high-quality shaving gel or cream. This creates a protective barrier for your skin and allows the razor to glide smoothly. Now for the actual shave. These steps are crucial for minimizing irritation and preventing ingrown hairs. Use a clean, sharp razor. Dull blades can pull and tug at the hair, increasing the risk of ingrown hairs and skin irritation. Replace your blades often. Shave with light pressure. Let the sharpness of the blade do the work, instead of pressing down hard, which can irritate the skin and lead to a closer than necessary shave. Always shave in the direction of hair growth. This is less irritating to the hair follicle and significantly reduces the chance of hair curling back into the skin. After shaving, it's important to soothe and hydrate your skin to complete the routine and ensure long-term smoothness. Always moisturize afterward. Use a non-comedogenic hydrating product to calm the skin and keep the skin barrier healthy and smooth. To prevent ingrown hairs long-term, continue to exfoliate gently a few times a week and always use a clean, sharp razor. Regular moisturizing is also key for a healthy skin barrier. Let's quickly recap the steps for a smoother result and to reduce irritation from shaving. Prep your skin with warm water, exfoliate gently, use shaving gel, shave with light pressure in the direction of hair growth, and always moisturize afterward. If you follow this routine, you'll reduce irritation and get a much smoother result. For more skincare and body care tutorials, make sure to subscribe. If you've ever shaved your bikini area and ended up with razor bumps, itching, or irritation, you're not alone.